Hey everyone, I'm ICEPOOF, and today I'm going to be attempting the Stank Rat Challenge. I need to get to a rat spot, I need to kill a PMC, I need to throw a piece of cheese on him, loot him, have a total weight of 42 kilograms of loot, and then make sure I exit. Here we go. Welcome to my spot. Leg meta, Chad down. Don't forget the cheese. Over 42 kilograms. And we out. Stink Rat put out a solid challenge as far as getting all of us certified, so I'm going to keep pushing these videos out to one day ascend to the high tier scav level. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.